Yes, how you doing? I'm Marcos, the maintenance supervisor of Asaria Apartments, and this is Maintenance 101. First thing that we're going to talk about is how to change an air filter. First thing and foremost that you're going to need, obviously, is going to be a three-step ladder itself, long enough to actually reach the air filter that you're not actually struggling on your tippy toes. So make sure that it's tall enough for you to reach the air filter. Secondary, you are going to need some safety glasses or something to protect your eyes, because as soon as you open this lid, there will be dust. So you want to make sure you protect your eyes at all times. All right, we are going to start really quick on showing you how to open the lid. First thing, first make sure that the ladder is pointing where the two knobs is at. Where the two knobs are at, because as soon as you open that, the door will be swinging outwards where you open it from. Let me show you, for example. You have this little tab right here on your right hand side, and all you do is pull it out and leave it like that. You do the same thing to the other one, but before you remove it, the lid might flop down, so you want to be careful. Make sure to put a little bit of pressure on the lid itself and open the other tab. It will come straight down, and then place your hand in front, because the air filter will just come straight down and away from you. You place the air filter on the side and you grab your new air filter. When placing the new air filter, make sure that you look for the little arrow on the side of your air filter, letting you know how the airflow is going to go. Go back up the ladder itself. We place gently inside the square, and then we place the other end all the way in. It will be nice and snug inside, giving you ample time to close the lid and push on both of the tabs. Make sure to pull carefully, not really hard. Just pull on the lid, making sure that it is nice and secure. And that's how you change an air filter.